If you're suffering from thinning hair or breakage or hair that just won't grow, then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my 3 most powerful hair growth spray recipes that has been tried and trusted to prevent hair fall and promote faster hair growth. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so my first recipe today is lavender. Now lavender is a natural remedy that not only helps to stimulate hair growth but also helps to treat scalp issues and help to deeply condition the hair, and this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to be measuring just 1 tablespoon of lavender into my plate, and the next thing I'm going to do now is to add my water. So I added about 200 ml of hot water. Please use hot water, or you can as well use a room temperature water if you're going to be leaving yours to stay overnight, because that way it's going to to have enough time to infuse. But I didn't leave mine to stay overnight. I left it to stay for like 4 hours or so, and then it is ready. So this is what it looks like after 4 hours. You will know that this recipe is ready when the lavender color changes to somewhat gray. That is when you would know that all the nutrients has been extracted from the lavender into the water that you used to infuse it. Okay, and yeah, the tea is ready. All you have to do now is to use it on your hair, and I'm also going to be sharing with you how I use it on my hair to see faster results. Okay, so now that we have successfully made our lavender water, now let me show you how to use it on your hair for maximum result. Okay, and this is what my hair was looking like before I hydrated my hair. So to start, I'm going to spray the lavender tea all over my hair to help soften my hair before I will go in individually. Okay, you're going to see that. Just keep on watching. The reason why I am dampening my hair all over is so that it will help to open up my pores and make it easier for me to detangle and work with. Now my hair in this video was not completely dry, however it's still a bit dry and it needs to be remoisturized. The reason why I love lavender so much is the fact that it helps to deeply condition the hair. If you're suffering from dry hair, lavender will help to moisturize and soften your hair as well. Okay, and plus it has this amazing smell that adds to its many benefits. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be losing, like I said, I'm going to be taking 1 strand at a time to be able to show you guys how I effectively use it on my hair. Now while I do that, I'm also going to be sharing with you guys a few of the benefits of lavender to our natural hair, and I will encourage you that at the end of this video, please do your own research to see if it is beneficial for your own hair type or not. Okay, even though lavender is generally considered safe for all hair types, it still doesn't hurt to check, to do your own research and be sure that you are checking all the boxes before relying on these products. And now after you finish moisturizing, hydrating your hair with the lavender tea, please go ahead and see the moisture with a leave-in conditioner. In this video I used a leave-in conditioner that I made by myself. Okay, however you can use any leave-in conditioner that you have at home, whether store-bought or your regular DIY leave-in conditioner, or even your DIY hair butter. The essence of layering other products to it is to make sure that it is properly sealed. That way it doesn't evaporate faster and it keeps your hair moisturized for longer. Now I was just showing you guys what my hair looks like even before I applied any sort of cream or whatever to my hair. You could see how lavender alone made my hair feel really soft and hydrated. Yes, that is one of the amazing benefits of this lavender for our hair. Now guys, let me share with you a few benefits of lavender like I promised earlier. So lavender helps to stimulate hair growth by increasing blood circulation to the scalp, which helps to wake up stubborn or dormant follicles and in turn encourages faster hair growth. And guys, we all know that hair grows from the inside, right? But then sometimes a few things that we do on the outside can either hinder or promote hair growth. So that is where all these natural remedies comes in. Some of the nutrients from this natural remedy can actually penetrate pass through your scalp, because your scalp is skin. It can penetrate and get to your body and still do amazing work from the inside out. Okay, so don't let down on natural remedies. They are really effective. Now, lavender also has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, and what this means is that lavender can help to calm itchy and irritated scalp, and it is especially perfect for people suffering from dandruffs. Another beautiful benefit of lavender is the fact that it has antioxidant properties that helps to protect our hair strands from damage and oxidative stress. So when our bodies has like too many free radicals and not enough antioxidants, this may lead to oxidative stress that can cause hair thinning or hair loss, premature graying, inflammation of the scalp, or even weak hair strands. And that is where lavender comes in now, because lavender is rich in antioxidants, which means it can help to neutralize these free radicals, calm inflammation, and protect our hair follicles from damage. All right, wonderful people, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please kindly subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Please stick around for my second and third recipe. I promise you, if you enjoyed this lavender, you're also going to enjoy the ones coming up. Did you know that onion peels contains twice the amount of antioxidants than onion juice? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make onion peels for hair growth. Now, you will need a clean water. You can use your drinking water. If you drink tap water and it's not hard water, you can use that as well. I use 250 ml of water. Depending, you can use more or less depending on how potent you want that to be. Put your water in a pot, put it on fire and bring it to a boil. When it's boiled, add your onion peels inside. Reduce the light and cover the pot. Allow it to simmer, allow it to steam, allow it to boil for at least 10 to 15 minutes in a very low heat. After that, you bring it down and then cover it to cool completely. So this is what it's looking like after it has boiled. I'm going to cover it and allow it to cool down for a while. Okay, so this is what it looks like after it has cooled down. I'm going to strain it now. After straining it, you're going to store it in a spray bottle or applicator bottle, whichever one that you prefer. This is what the juice is looking like. Look at the color. So now I'm going to pour mine in a spray bottle and I will cover my spray bottle and it's ready to be used. Okay guys, so while I'm applying this treatment on my daughter's hair, let's talk about the benefits of onion peel tea or onion peel juice, whatever you call it. Okay, so onion peel itself contains vitamins A, vitamin C, vitamin E. It is rich in antioxidants and sulfur compound. Do you know that it can promote hair growth? It will strengthen your hair follicles. If you've been losing a lot of hair and you've been thinking of what you can use to block that DHA, which is a hormone that is responsible for hair loss, try onion peel. Combining black tea, green tea and neem leaf. This three combo, instant result. I am not even joking. You're going to get instant result. That is how powerful onion peel is. Now, if you're also looking for a remedy, a treatment that will prevent your hair from graying prematurely, onion peel is for you, baby. So what you have to do is to boil your onion peel and use it twice or thrice in a week, depending. You can use it as a living treatment or you can wash it out. Also, if you are one who have longing to use onion on your hair but you just can't stand the smell, onion peel is best for you, because onion peel contains the same amount or even more than onion juice and it's going to give you the same benefits or even more, like I mentioned earlier. So why not give this treatment a try? This is a powerhouse of nutrients, vitamins, everything that your hair hair needs to strive, from relieving scalp issues to promoting hair growth to adding shine to your hair to preventing graying of hair. A whole lot of other benefits, amazing benefits that you will enjoy from using this onion peel on your hair. Now this is my daughter's hair, and after a while I left it out for a while. Then I want to put it in a protective style just because the weather is drying and I don't want her hair to dry out. So I'm looking for a juice that we use to moisturize her hair. Instead of using plain water, I decided to add onion peel that I saved from the previous day after cooking a delicious meal with the onion itself. So now I finished boiling it and then I apply it to my daughter's hair. Now guys, when you are using anything liquid on your hair, please remember to moisturize your hair. It is very important. I know that water is moisture, but water alone evaporates as faster as you can even snap your finger. So that is why it's important that after you apply water, tea, rinse, aloe vera gel, whatever that is in liquid form, it is also important that you incorporate or you seal it in with a moisturizing hair cream, a hair butter or oil. So I always like to go in with a leave-in conditioner, a moisturizing leave-in conditioner, and I make my leave-in conditioner myself. I've been making my leave-in conditioner myself for a while now, and our hair has been benefiting from it. So after applying a leave-in conditioner to the hair, I went in to seal it in with oil. You can seal it with hair butter, you can seal it with shea butter if that is what you have. All right, and then finger detangle. Be gentle while detangle. If you really want to retain length, you have to be gentle when you're managing your hair or your daughter's hair. It is very important. That is one of the secrets to growing out healthy and long hair, being gentle, because if you are breaking out the hair that you grow, the hair growth that you accumulated after a protective style or after a while, they are not going to see length. People say that their hair is not growing, but that is not true. Your hair is growing, it's just that your hair is breaking more than it's growing. Do you get? And that's why it looks like it's not growing, but it's actually growing. So yeah, after applying the onion juice, detangling with my hand, sealing it with moisturizing cream and hair oil, I will then put it in a protective style. You guys, it is also very important. So if you are interested in growing out your hair, these are the things that you can do. Try using tea on your hair. Try putting your hair in a protective style and leave it alone. Don't put your hands on your hair all the time. That is the best way to grow out your hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please guys, give me a massive thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe if you've not, and share this video to your loved one. Are you still struggling with dry, matted hair, stunted growth, itching scalp, or do you feel like your hair just won't grow in this year 2025? Guys, stick around because I'm going to share with you a very simple 3-ingredient hair tea that is going to help to nourish your hair and restore your natural hair back to life. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. And our first ingredient is rosemary. Alright, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of rosemary into a clean jar. Then we'll move on to the next ingredient. Now my second ingredient is fenugreek seed. Guys, if you're suffering from thinning hair, if you're looking for a way to thicken your hair, then you would want to start incorporating fenugreek seed into your hair regimen, and trust me, just give it a few months and you're going to start seeing results. Again, I added 1 tablespoon of my fenugreek seed into the same jar container containing my rosemary. The last but not the least is hibiscus leaves. Now hibiscus helps to condition our hair. We know this fruit as a zobo leaf, but you guys, if you've been letting down on hibiscus leaves, then you really need to start incorporating it to your hair regimen. Hibiscus helps to strengthen the hair follicles, it helps to promote faster hair growth, and it also helps to condition your hair. Don't worry, I'm going to be sharing some of the benefits of these ingredients later on in this video, so keep on watching. Now I added hot water into my glass jar, and I'm going to be covering it to allow it to steep overnight before I start using it. Another alternative way to use to make this tea is to boil it. Okay, so you can choose to boil this particular recipe. It doesn't matter, it will still give you the same result. However, I feel like if using it overnight gives a more potent, makes it more potent. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. All right guys, so if you choose, whether you choose to infuse it or boil it, you would know that your fenugreek, you would know that your recipe is ready when you notice that your fenugreek has doubled in size. Okay, now the next thing that you're going to do is to strain your recipe and pour it into your applicator bottle of choice. I am using a spray bottle for easy application. Alright guys, so now let's move on to me showing you how I use it on my hair. This is my hair in a cornrow, and I'm going to be using this tea to hydrate my hair. One of the mistakes that people make when they put their hair in a protective style is that they put their hair, they literally like just wave it goodbye until they are ready to take it down. So don't put your hair in a protective style and leave it for a long while without moisturizing, without hydrating your hair. Here is what happens: your hair will get dry, and even though your hair is going to grow during this protective style, the day you're going to take it down, you would notice that you will lose more hair than normal, because you left your hair alone and you were not moisturizing it, you were not washing it, you just literally left it. Okay, and what is even bad is that some people that I know, they put their hair in a cornrow, they put their hair in a protective style back to back. What they do is put their hair in a protective style and then carry on with their lifestyle, and once they feel like the hair is old, they will take it down, go to the salon, take it down, comb it. Sometimes they won't even wash their hair, they put it back in another protective style, the same dry hair. I worked at a salon, and when I said I've seen stubs I mean I have seen stubs. Okay, so if you're really interested, if you're interested in growing your hair out in the remaining parts of this year, I don't know, in the remaining half of this year, right, then there are things that you need to do differently, and one of them is making sure that you properly moisturize and hydrate your hair. This is very important. Okay, if you're one who is experiencing a lot of breakage, if your hair is shedding excessively, moisturizing your hair frequently, and I don't mean every day unless your hair gets dry that much. Okay, and if your hair is getting dry every day like that, then maybe you are not really hydrating from the inside. Then you should drink a lot of water, make sure that your inside is well hydrated, okay, before looking on the outside. All right guys, I promise to share some of the benefits of this recipe, of these ingredients to our hair, but please pardon me, I'm just going to leave them up on the screen, and I encourage you to do your own research too, to find out what more of the reasons why you should start using it today or not. All right, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you watch from the beginning all the way to now, can you give me a heart emoji and say I stayed to the end? Okay, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't laugh at my cornrow. Thank you for watching guys. I will see you in my next video. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and until I come your way next time, my name is Favor. Please take care of yourself, and bye.